fam. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped in. I hope you guys are having a great week so far. Yes, I came back to present another video to you guys, and I wanted to reintroduce you my skincare line. It's called Organic Rose Skincare. I did a previous video going more into detail about what the products entail and all the benefit it has to offer and all the ingredients. So you guys can go ahead and check that out. I will put a link in the show notes below. So definitely check that out. But I wanted to come on here today to do a full demo of how I use the products, okay? To give it optimal benefits. I do use these products at least 3 to 4 times a week consistently. And as you can tell, I have no makeup on. My skin is absolutely flawless. It's glowing. It feels clean. It feels well hydrated, moisturized, and toned. Yes, this is amazing. So anyway, we have the deep cleanser here, the foam cleanser. We have the toner, as well as the serum. The serum is absolutely phenomenal, as well as the moisturizer. Oh my God, this moisturizer makes your skin so baby soft. And then I follow up with the rose water as well to lock everything in. Yes, it's summertime now, so you guys have to really get on the skincare regimen that's going to help maintain your skin. Just have you walking out the door glowing and just feeling confident about yourself. It's nothing like having beautiful, clear, radiant skin. I'm telling you. So when you do put on makeup, it's even better, okay? So give me a moment. I'm going to go ahead and set up, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I had to put my hair up before I do the facial. Anyway, before I get started, I would really appreciate if you guys would like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm new to YouTube, so I'm trying to grow my channel. I do offer lots of valuable content on beauty, fashion, makeup, skincare. I am a licensed cosmetologist and have been so for over 25 years or so. So I do specialize in hair. I specialize in wigs. I make wigs. I sell wigs. And you'll be getting a lot of tutorials, a lot of beauty tips, and just my overall experience I want to share with you guys, okay? So you can be the best version of yourselves. Okay, so go ahead and click on that notification bell too once you subscribe, so that way you'll get notified for all the upcoming postings, all right? I really appreciate it. All right, so let me go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to be using, but before I start using the products, I want to kind of briefly give you the ingredients. I did go more into detail of a previous video that I did. I will put the link in the show notes below. But basically, the main ingredients in all these products are, you have the rose extract, you have the pomegranate extract, aloe vera. Okay, you guys, I'm about to do the facial. Now, these products are for all skin types, okay? If you have oily skin, dry skin, combination, or sensitive skin. My skin is very sensitive. I can easily break out depending on what products I use. But so far, since I've been using these products for several months, since I launched, it really is agreeing with my skin. I have no irritation, no breakouts. I just simply glow, skin glow. So again, these products are very gentle. They're vegan, and you're going to absolutely love them, okay? So first, let me go ahead and start off with using the, first let me wet my face first. I'm going to kind of make this pretty quick. The skincare regimen shouldn't take no more than 5 to 10 minutes max, okay? So it's preferably you should use it twice a day in the mornings, and then at night, especially if you're suffering from acne or have problematic skin, like hyperpigmentation or just, fine lines and wrinkles, crow's feet. I would definitely recommend you guys use it in the morning and then before you go to bed. But if you don't have time to use it twice a day, then 1 time a day is fine, okay? But you really have to be consistent, because if you're not consistent, it's not going to give you the ultimate results that you're looking for, okay? All right, so first we're going to use the foam cleanser. Kind of shake it up. You just kind of give it a pump here. Just go in circular motions. Be very gentle with your skin. Again, this these products are very gentle but yet very effective. So you really don't need to work hard. The products are going to work for you, okay? Just be very gentle with your skin. And a little goes a long way. It's very concentrated. If you have blackheads on your nose or whiteheads, it's going to really go in there and deep cleanse under the skin layer, going beneath your pores, and really just exfoliating, getting rid of all the dead skin cells in your skin, removing the top layer so you can get that glow. It can bring out the new skin. Having a skincare regimen is very important due to the fact that we're so bombarded with the environment, the elements in the environment like pollution, free radicals, dirt, dust, and God knows what else that's floating in the air. So it's very important that you deep cleanse your skin to remove all that crap, okay? I'm doing this very, very gentle, not rough. Make sure you get here, the frown lines, and also your forehead. You know how we have that when we do like that, we have the wrinkles here. That's why people get Botox. You really don't have to do that. If you take care of your skin naturally and just be consistent with like good high quality products, you don't need to get all that stuff. You don't need to get fillers, Botox, all that stuff. You never know all these side effects in the long run it's gonna give you. So it's best to go ahead and treat your skin naturally. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and tone after cleansing. The toner is going to do what it says. It's going to give you an even skin tone. If you suffer from hyperpigmentation, it's going to help fade away the dark spots. It's going to go in there and hydrate, moisturize. It's going to shrink your pores. It's going to tighten your skin and just give you that overall youthful appearance, okay? And all these products, especially the cleanser, will remove also makeup as well, okay? And the toner is whatever thing you have left over, which I doubt because the cleanser is going to thoroughly, really, really deep cleanse your skin. Also, the toner is going to help remove excess oil, which causes acne, okay? So let me go ahead and do that real quick. A little goes a long way. You don't need much. Just kind of dab it, avoiding underneath your eyes. Also, when you're cleansing, too, avoid getting the foam under your eyes as well. Because under your eye area is very delicate. You don't want anything drying it out or causing irritation, okay? Also, when you're applying your products, you always want to go upstroke, okay, to defeat gravity. Of course, as we age, our skin after 30, 35 on up, we start losing collagen and just the firmness in our skin. It starts to get dry and dull looking, so you want to make sure you, when you're applying your products, go up. Very, very important. Sometimes I forget to do it. Also, don't neglect your neck area as well. That's part of your facial as well, okay? Okay, so that's that. All right, y'all. Next we have the serum. The serum is going to give you extra moisturizing protection. It's going to hydrate your skin. It's going to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. This stuff is absolutely amazing. It smells like roses. Again, a little goes a long way. Don't need much. Just kind of drop it here and there. It feels so good just trickling down my skin. That's all you need pretty much. And just massage it in. Going up. Again, it's non-greasy. It absorbs in your skin beautifully. Get your neck. underneath your chin. Yeah, it's already absorbed. It makes your skin feel so soft and supple and youthful. I love this stuff. Okay, guys, next we have the moisturizer. Yes, this moisturizer is so good. When I tell you it's going to make your skin baby soft, give you that nice, supple, youthful appearance. Oh, I love this stuff. So it'll go a long way again. So what you do is you just want to massage it in. Don't forget your neck. Going up. Now with the moisturizer, you really want to get in there and massage it so you can stimulate the blood to create those rosy cheeks. This also helps stimulate your collagen. Oh my God, it feels so good. You can even put some on your hands. Now the moisturizer you can't put underneath your eyes because it has oils in it. It's very gentle. You really want to take your time and just massage your skin. Hit those stress points there to relieve a lot of tension. Just go up. Focus on those fine lines on your forehead. Help smooth them out. If you have wrinkles underneath your eyes and crow's feet, kind of concentrate on there, very gentle. Also, I'll be coming out with an eye cream. I do suffer from like bags and dark circles like a lot of us ladies do. So actually I've been kind of testing a few eye creams and I'm kind of just waiting for the results. So yeah, ladies, you gotta just pamper yourself. You know, treat yourself good, self-care, self-love. You know, we live in a time everything's so stressful. You know, a lot of things are going on in the world, so we have to find ways to take care of ourselves. You know, physically, emotionally, spiritually, to make sure we're okay mentally. Because you know, a lot of people now are getting developing mental disorders because of all the stress and pressures that we go through in life. We find it hard or a difficult time to kind of like relieve the stress. And stress is a #1 killer. So if you don't take care of yourself, no one else will. Making sure you eat a proper diet, drink plenty of water. I make a lot of smoothies with like berries in it, you know, different vegetables, you know. I have my smoothie on a daily basis to help keep me regular. That's also too, you got to have beauty inside as well. Take care of yourself inside, then that's going to reflect your outer beauty. Because it all starts within how you take care of yourself, okay? Okay, so that's the moisturizer. Oh my God, it's so soft. Look at that glow. Okay, so now I'm going to lock everything in. I'm going to set my skin with all the products I use with the rose water. This is so refreshing. Even for the summertime, you know, if you're out, you can maybe put something like a little small spray bottle. And if you're outside in the heat, you know, spray some rose water on your skin to refresh it. Just, you know, have it to go, you know. It smells so good. Just let it air dry. Okay, guys, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this skincare regimen. And I will put the link on where to purchase the skincare set in the show notes. The price is $49.95, which is very, very reasonable compared to the high quality that you're going to get and all the benefits you're going to get with your skin. You guys, I feel absolutely amazing. That skincare regimen was so soothing, rejuvenating, I feel like $1,000,000. Yes, I did put my makeup on. I'm looking all dolled up. I'm ready to conquer the world. Anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of great things coming your way. I'm in the process of I soon will be launching my website, Glam Fix Boutique. That's GLAMFIXX Boutique. You can check out my Instagram as well at Glam Fix Boutique. I am uploading products. I'm making sure I find you guys top-notch, products that's going to really help you level up your glam game. Yes, it's time, you guys. You work hard. You got families you're taking care of, and you got to take time to pamper yourself and treat yourself, okay? And be the queen that you really are. The website's going to have a range from fashion, skincare, makeup, accessories, feminine care, yoni products. So we got to keep it nice and fresh, right? I'm gonna have fragrances like different perfumes, oud oils. It's gonna be tons of stuff at reasonable price. Okay. As soon as I get close to launching, I gotta let you guys know. You're my glam fam. Okay. You'll be the first ones to know. And once it's launched, you check it out. You're gonna see all the amazing, beautiful, unique things I'm gonna have on there. At an affordable price. That's the key. I've been working very hard for you guys, because I know what I like. My taste is pretty exquisite. So I just want to pass on these gems to you guys because you're worth it. All right? Okay, you guys, until next time, you guys stay blessed, stay cute, stay positive, and don't let nothing upset you. Just brush it off your shoulders, right? Because this too shall pass. Just keep looking forward, keep pressing on. Don't give up on the things you want to do in life. Don't let anyone steal your joy. All right? Love you. Bye.